Okay, guys, this is the just kind of a helpful tidbit for disassembly of a 2012 Dodge 2500. I couldn't find any, and pretty much you could, if you really wanted to. Mine's gonna be like horse crap video, but whatever. It's the same thing as a like 2016, 2017. I mean, there are differences, but essentially this is the back side of it right here. And little tips, undo all these ones that are right there. There's one there, one down there. You don't have to do that speaker. You don't have to pull any of this assembly off, which I did because I didn't know. You do have to pull this guy off. I didn't realize that. The bolt's here. And so I've done it twice in order to, I had to replace the key switch. And so best advice I could give you is take it from underneath and pull it down. There's two levers, and then pull it out. And you're good to go. Like always, Jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.